Okay, this is Station 2, Convection. My materials are hot water, which I have here in an electric teapot, cold water, which I've put in this plastic container, a small glass bottle. I do have a small bottle, but this one is plastic, an ice cube, some ice cubes here, and they're dyed blue. We'll look at that in just a second. Red food coloring, and a glass bowl filled with water. And as you can see, I've used just a plastic container filled with water. Procedure, step 1. Fill the small glass bottle with hot water and put 2 drops of red food coloring. So I'm going to go ahead and fill my bottle with hot water. I'm going to put maybe 3 drops, I think. This takes a little bit more than 2 to work right. Okay. Step 2 says to cover the top of the bottle with your finger so that it's sealed. Well, I don't want to hold my finger over a bottle of hot water, so I'm just going to skip that step for now. Step 3 says, with your other hand, pick up an ice cube that has been dyed blue. I'm going to go ahead and read step 4 before I do that, because here's what it says. At the same time, place both objects, meaning the hot water bottle and the ice cube, at the bottom of the container filled with water. Release the finger holding the glass bottle closed and let go of the ice. So let me show you how we're going to do this. I'm going to get out my ice cube that's been dyed blue. I'm going to cover this bottle with my finger. I'm going to set it down at the bottom and place the ice cube in the water. And then step 5 says, observe the currents. So we're going to observe the currents for about a minute. And you can see already the blue is sinking down here. We've got some red rising to the top. Let's look at it from another angle. Some of our students said it looks like a volcano, and it's kind of the same idea. You can see that heated water, that hot matter dyed red rising up out of the bottle. The blue ice is slowly melting and it's sinking down towards the bottom. Let's look at it from the side again. Got a nice view here. You can really see the blue current pushing down and the red current flowing upward. So now that we've had about a minute to observe the currents, I'm going to turn to the next page where we record our data. So where we record the data, it asks us to draw and color a picture below that shows what happened during your experiment. So I would just be taking maybe a pencil, a red crayon or marker, a blue crayon or marker, and I'm just going to sketch what I see either from the side or what I observed here in the top. That heated red water rising, the cold blue water sinking. Next, we're going to record our results. Write 2 sentences that describe the movement of the hot water during your experiment. Well, I actually want to write about each temperature of the water. So we're going to write 1 sentence that describes the movement of the hot water, another sentence that describes the movement of the cold water. And then station 2 is done.